skills improve your life more than your degree. Nowadays, everyone is worried about how to become financially strong. Earnings are very limited and needs are unlimited. So don't worry. I am introducing an online e-commerce course in which course you can earn money online without any 8 to 6 jobs. I'm Hafiz M.idrees, and I have 5 year experience in different e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Wix.com, and also I have a experience about freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, and other many platforms. So in this course, I'm just introducing an Shopify course and freelancing course because about my experience, Shopify is best for online earning. I have many successful Shopify store. In this course, I'm just introducing an how to create Shopify store, how to manage Shopify store, how to add and remove product on your Shopify store, how to create best drop shipping store on Shopify. Freelancing course, I'm just introducing and Fiverr freelancing, Upwork freelancing, and different freelancing courses. So hurry up, grab your opportunity, and let's make everything possible. And if you want to check my experience, let's check my Fiverr profile link.